What's going on, you guys? William Win here, aka YZ Dirtbike William here. We have a different type of video. You're probably wondering why the heck are we in the neighborhood. Well, so we're about to trespass some construction site place and we're gonna ride it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We got Hudson on the new YZ85, we got Anderson on the 150, and I'm on the YZ 125 since we have two YZs now, so I have to specify. So now we're gonna rip some trails that you guys have never seen. Oh yeah, two smoker, baby. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Running kind of rich. It did rain a little bit earlier, so if it's wet, I wouldn't be surprised. I've been running so long. Let the bikes warm up a little bit. It's surprising a neighborhood like mine have these little trails. Kind of nice. I mean, yeah, it's not much, but you know, at least fast though. But I hope everyone's having a wonderful day as much as we are. Get to ripping, have some fun. Yeah. Hopefully we don't get cops on us and nothing goes wrong. Yeah, the nervous laugh. Yeah. I've gotten in trouble by these dirt bikes before in the neighborhood, but you know, screw it. We gotta do it for the video, right? If you guys are new, please like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, don't forget to share as well. And yes, let's get to ripping. Why do I always have to lead? I want to go behind so I can get the footage. Little streamer here. Remember the forest video, guys? The old video we did on like bicycles, and I went on the scooter. It's in there. So the forest's at. Take a little rip, and then there's a construction site that we actually want to go to. See how they do? See how Hudson does on the new bike? Oh yeah. Let them by, let them by. Woohoo! Oh, oh, oh. Please tell me my camera's clean. Clean the camera. Almost turned down. Oh, already mud on me. Whoa. So here's another trail behind the neighborhood houses. Not really a trail, more like a little tiny power line trail. I thought it'd be a lot muddier than this, but okay. It's not too bad. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't slide out, don't slide out. Okay, good. I don't know what time it is. It's probably 5 or 6. Construction workers probably not working anymore, so should be okay. Bike's running good. Wearing tennis shoes today. actually filmed 2 parts to this video. So I've been back here once, and there's a really muddy trail, so we're gonna do one dirt bike versus mud, which is going to be a separate video, and then we're gonna do one regular trail. The trails are pretty short. Yeah. Oh, there's a little mobile home there. Does someone live there? Probably not. Site work, utilities, grading and paving provided by. Okay, well, I don't need to know who's provided by. What does that say? Private property, no trespass. Violators will be prosecuted. Okay, great. I think that meant to say dirt bikers are allowed. Will Scott. That kind of makes me scared. I don't want to get in trouble. Wow. Okay. I've been back here for a while, actually. The tennis shoes, not the best protection, so hope nothing goes too wrong. I don't like riding a place like these, you know, because it's like you don't know when you could get in trouble. You know, you're on a dirt bike, so you know you can get in trouble anytime. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to make content. And at least you have a place to ride. Jeez, Hudson, why you go so slow? Loser. Just kidding. I take that back. You not no loser. Look at those hills. Let's go do some hill climbs on those. Just kidding. Probably die. Little crane. You know, I'm always afraid these cranes when I was little, you know, coming out at night. What if there's no one in there and they just turned and looked at me, you know, like the front of it? Yeah, I always was scared of those back then. Let's go through. Okay, let's not go turn right there. Oh, let's turn through here. Oh yeah, easy work. Come on, Anderson, you got it. In shorts. Please don't fall, because, you know, falling in shorts would absolutely suck. Straight away. Oh, felt good. Get some air. Let them in the dust. Whew. Love that part. Goes so fast. Right the camera. Keeps the camera clean. This bike is so fast. 125. I don't want to rip in here too fast because I am sure afraid there's a ditch or something and I'm going to faceplant and that's not going to end too well. Yes, summer just started. I am so happy. I am actually going on a trip to California, hang out with my mama. And yeah, we're going to have a great time there. I'm probably not filming, sorry. Wait, what the? Oh, the grass grew. That's why I can't tell where to go. Holy cow, the grass really did grow. Oh, this would be a nice time to have barkbusters. Oh, these. Going to California, hanging out. So, what the heck? There's a basketball hoop. That's weird. Kind of awkward. So yeah, I gotta create about 3 extra videos so I can upload while I'm gone. Gone for about 3 weeks, so yeah, can upload while I'm there. Holy cow, last time I was here there's like no grass. Why is there so much now? Oh, I mean, it goes summer. Hey, city maintenance, North Charleston. Come on now. What are you guys doing? Or whoever. Whoever's supposed to, you know, cut the grass here. What are you doing? You're supposed to do it by now, my dude. So he's the back of another neighborhood. Grass so high, I can't even tell what I'm running over. Oh gosh, it got slippery. I think I hit some. Oh gosh, a little muddy. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Yeah, Carolina Adventure World last time was so much fun. Don't know when's the last time I'll be back there. Or last time. Don't know when next time I'll be back there, but one day we'll sure be back there. And then yeah, I want to go to a different park. Another park I really want to go to is Durhamtown. That's where I really want to go. Durhamtown, down Georgia. That's where I really want to go. So, the place looks pretty good. Watch some videos. Pretty nice. Side by side with dirt bikes. Good for the both. So, I want to go there one day. Take the dirt bikes. The YZ. Got the 150, the YZ85 back there. Yeah, okay. We are going kind of slow. I am so sorry, but I do not want to die. The grass is so high. Okay. And here is the end of it, and that's a apartment, and I am not trying to get in trouble. So let's go ahead, turn around, and go back. Whoa, okay. Woo-hoo! So freaking fast. Coming hot. Don't think I'm supposed to ride up here, but you know, they're not here, so why not just do it anyways, right? If we get in trouble, then oh well. That's the last words. If we get in trouble, then oh well. Oh, neutral. I did not know that's a second gear. Will Will survive going up this? Or will he die going up it? Hey, oh gosh. Made it. Look at them go. Go down. Oh yeah. Easy money, guys. There you go. Straight running bike. Kind of dirty? That's not really. That's almost nothing. Oh gosh, I better move out of the way. I better move out of the way. I better move out of the way. Oh, what the frick? Hold on. Gapped him! He started before me. I looked up and I saw Hudson coming into me. I was like, heck no! Hunter, you ready to rip again?
Of course.
Mullet man? Shake that mullet. Alright, let's roll. Asian mullet.
Asian mullet?
Asian mullet.
Wait, what's happening?
Drag racing.
What about him?
Up there.
I'm not a 50.
Kind of play with him at first, you know, give him a little chance, and then zoom zoom, yoink. First down. Hunter's stalled. Let's turn around. Turn around. Little donut turn. There we go. Wax that booty cheeks, boy! Wax them booty cheeks, boy! So much fun. We gotta work on my starts. I don't have the best starts. Yeah, I saw you wheelie. Go, Hudson, go. Coming in hot. Wax those booty cheeks, boy. Taking them to Gapplebees. Woohoo. Gapplebees. This thing will take everybody to Gapplebees. Okay, well, not everybody, but them. So much fun. Alright, the mud trails are there. We're about to film the next video, and let's go ahead and park this bike somehow. How you feel about the new bikes, huh?
It's fast.
First ride? How's it?
Daredevil.
Daredevil?
Yeah.
Or even the Honda 150R. Very hard to kick. Very hard to kick. We're about to buzz cut him, guys. Have a good look of his last look. About to be a model, right? Yep, we got the bikes running good. And also right here, if I hit the mud trail, we're gonna make Hudson go down there and sink his bike probably. Oh, there's not, it's watery. Okay. Alright, so hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their day as always. I'm YZ Dirtbike William here, my riding crew. Hope you enjoy the new bike to the family. And without further ado, I'm closing the video. Hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their day as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to share as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.